A very warm good morning to one and all present here, respected teachers and all my dear friends. It's honor to have you all with us today, and we are here to present our project. My name is Jayashree.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ankush Singh. I am from BCA AKU batch to 4th sem.
Yeah, we are here to present our project which is Career Compass. Before it started, I would like to express the greatest gratitude to Sunny sir for giving his invaluable time and advice which has been instrumental for making this project which is Career Compass. So let's start. So what is the project is all about? How I got this my idea to making this project Career Compass. So when I was searching for particular job, I am unable to find the right description. I am not able to find the right information of the particular job. And I am also not able to take the right guidance that for which job I should apply for. So that's why we have created this app which is Career Compass. And like, did you know that 70% of the job seeker face problem that they are not able to access the right job. Like this, all are problem faced by the job seeker. As we all are fresher, we also face the problem that we are not able to find the right job by matching your profile, by matching your skill. So to alleviate all this problem, this Career Compass will guide you through your career guidance. And Career Compass is an innovative platform which is designed by using Java language, and its UI is designed by using XML in Android Studio IDE. So this is the design platform, and we can also streamline all the job process. Like by using one app, we can apply for a particular job, and it will also give you the guidance that for which job we should apply for. So today we will look the function and feature of this Career Compass, and we will also see the live demonstration of this project which is Career Compass. So let's start. I welcome all to Career Compass. This is the logo of my app which is Career Compass, and it is presented by me and Ankush here and guided by Sunny sir. Let's start. So Career Compass, like your gateway to career success. It is a user-friendly platform where connecting job seeker and the job provider. The main purpose of this is to connect the job seeker and the job provider for across various fields. We can connect across various field also. And will guide user through their career path, helping them make informed decision about their job choice and career development. This is all about our Career Compass app. So what is the objective of this app? It is create a seamless experience of the both job seeker and the job provider. Like the first objective is to streamline search. Without taking any effort, we can apply for the job without by searching one word, by clicking one click, we should apply for the job. And there is a personalized recommendation also. If you are giving your skill, by matching your skill, it will recommend that which job we should apply for by matching your skill, by matching your talent. And this is the direct employer connection is also there. Let's see, if you want to go somewhere, if we want the information of that particular place, so it will provide you that information by connecting with employer of that particular company that you are applying for. So this is the main objective that our app contains. So what is the key feature of Career Compass? First feature is job alerts. If any job, newly job is added, then it will notify you that it job is added. If you want to apply, then we should apply for the job. Then if you want to apply, then apply. Then second one is resume builder. So this is the one of the best feature that our app contains, but yet now it is not implemented. I will implement it furthermore. This feature will contain that by matching your skill, it will create the a resume template for you to apply for that particular job. And second one is career advice. It will also guide to help you prepare for the interview and the advanced career. Then employer review is also there. For if you apply for particular job, then there will be review. By knowing review, we should go through the job or not. It will decided by you. And there is a mentorship connection is also there. We have to connect the mentor to grow, to learn, and to create a profile of your own. So here is career planning tools. This will provide you tool to create any career planning. Yeah. This is the main introducing of Career Compass. There are three experience of level. First one is job search. Second one is profile creation, and third one is apply job. This is the various three levels that our app contain, which is Career Compass. Yeah, our app is user friendly. Like if you use any app, you want that the app is user friendly. By seeing one logo, by seeing one banner, we should know what is the feature and functionality it contains. So first, it is responsive design. Like our app will include run in any device, whether it is laptop, tablet, and smartphone. And easy navigation is also there, like we have to navigate one screen to another screen by clicking by one click, and it will not taking an effort. By clicking one, we have navigate to other functionality, other search also. And there is support center also there. If you have any issue regarding this app, we can contact to our assistant for you to resolve your issue, to ask any question regarding this app. This is user friendly app. Next. So what is the activity demonstration I will do? For the first, we have to search the job. Then after that, we have to view job details. Like in job details, we view the including responsibility, what your criteria, what you have skill to apply that particular job. Then next we should apply for the job. These are the three activities that our app contain. Yeah. Before using any app, what we should do? First, we have to sign up the page or log in the page. Because by sign up, we get the more functionality. We access the all content of the particular app. So this is the sign up screen and this is the login screen. So like if you have no account, then we have to first sign up the page. Then after sign up, then we have to log in the page by giving your information like email, password, name, phone. We have to register from here by sign up. Then we go for login page, and we have to log in the specific this app by using your mail and password. Yeah, this is the first page of our app, which is home screen. In home screen, we find that there will be the profile section. Like from there, we can search job, we can edit profile from there, and this is the see all company is also there. And by clicking see all, we navigate to the see all page and with seeing job, category, and latest job. These all are the features it contain. And at last, this is the bottom. This is navbar, that is home, latest job, category, and setting. By navigating to this navbar, we navigate to latest job, category, and setting profile. So this is the home of our app. So what is the opportunity across all fields? Like our app provide all the opportunity about all the field, whether it is healthcare, whether it is finance, whether it is technology. It will provide all job in all the category. By clicking one category, we navigate to that particular category and we find that job. So you can see here that there are many categories like accounting, banking, engineering, healthcare, management, marketing, and other. By matching your profile, we can go through a particular category. Then on clicking particular category, we can find that job matching with that criteria. Yeah. So this is the latest job. Like if you apply for the job and we want to know the all information, all the description of the particular job, then we should go that particular job by clicking latest job. Here what you find, job name, then posted date, designation, phone number, email. Job description is also there, like what the job will contain. And we have to here you can see here that it is job skill, salary, job qualification, job work day, job work time, and similar job will be also seen here. By apply now, we can apply for the particular job that we are applying for, and by clicking this bookmark, we can mark this job for the further applied. And this is the report login. This is the report page that by clicking report, we can report the particular job if you have any issue regarding that particular job. So this is our all about the description of that particular job. So what is the additional feature it contains? So like if you apply for the job, like it will give you subscribe. So subscribe will contain three, like free plan, premium, platinum. So by default we have to free plan. In this one day you find two job, and by paying some money, we take premium plan also, platinum plan, and by clicking it we can take that more opportunity of that particular job we are finding. And you know the best feature it contains, this is the earning app also, through which we can earn money. And this is the setting bar, and it has many features. Like from here we can enable your push notification, that if you enable, then we can enable from here. And this is the edit profile section, from where we can create your own profile by giving your mail, password, city, and we can upload your image also, we can upload your resume also in edit profile. And save job is also there. If you bookmark any job, then it will show here that save job. Applied job will be also shown here, about us, term of uses, privacy policy, delete account instruction. So if you created an account, if you want to delete that particular account, then we have to you have to mail that particular person to delete your account. This is more app, rate app, then log out from here also. This is the edit profile. I already told you that it contain, we can upload image here and it will show saved applied job. We can add your skill also by add skill. Then this is the name, mail, phone, city, address, current company experience. We can also add date of birth here. Select your gender. We can also upload resume. Then we have to save the profile. Yeah, we can also change the password also. If you want to change the old password, then we can go through change password. Then we have to type your old password, then new password, then confirm, then update it. And this is the dashboard of the user. From here we can edit your profile. And this is the subscription plan. Like if you're taking any current plan, it will be shown here. And if you want to upgrade that plan, from here we can upgrade that plan, that premium or platinum. And last invoice is like for which date we are buying this plan. It will show here amount, date, and plan. And from here we can log out this app. So what is the conclusion of this app? I am going to conclude this app. Basically the main feature that it contains, that job seeker find the particular job by matching their profile. And without taking any effort, we can find easily by clicking one click, we should apply for the job. And personalized recommendation also, like if you are not getting the right way to apply any job, then it will recommend you to which job we should apply for. Direct employer connection, job alerts, resume builders, and career advice. These are the conclusion of our project, which is Career Compass. So let's see the live demonstration of this app, which is Career Compass. How to log in, how to access all the features of this app. It will shown by Ankush. Yeah, this is the logo of our app, which is Career Compass. From here we can click and open this app. Yeah. Yeah, 100 plus job listed daily. Next. Job resume upload. Next. Online interview. This will not implemented yet now. I will implement it. So first we have to sign up this page, because this is the first account that we are going to create. So what we have to do, first we have to sign up this page. Then go here and sign up this page.
Here is the sign up option. I click, and after that here are the details for fill a sign up. First of all, I write my name for sign up, and after that email, and after that I write password, and next one is my phone number. And before the clicking on the register, first of all check the privacy policy and then register and log in the page with the same email and password.
Yeah, login and sign up is successfully done.
So here is our home screen of our app, which is Career Compass, and here is the user dashboard. In user dashboard we get many features like dashboard, edit profile, change password, log out. These features are contained in a user profile. I click on dashboard.
Then we can see here that dashboard open. This is the edit profile user, and this is the my subscription plan, and this is the last invoice. By clicking edit, we can edit our profile.
We can also edit our user profile by clicking on edit. Here are the options which we can add our image for a user profile. Now select image for user profile. And after that we can also add a skills of a user. So I add skills like I type Java and submit. And here is my name and email, mobile number. We can also enter a city, and after that address. And we can also add here for current company. I write CMAs, and I write also experience. I write 2 years, and here is the also date of birth option available. Now I choose date of birth randomly, then OK. We can also select here from gender. Here is a male and female, and we can also upload resume from here. Now I click upload resume, select one document, and we can also save from here.
Yeah,
finally, it's successfully
done. Back.
And after the dashboard of user, here are the search option also available. We can search here for a particular job in search options. I type bank and search it. We find one job similar like a job which is senior banker. We can also apply from here, apply now, and we can also bookmark this job opportunity for further use and apply. And here are the companies which offer the jobs, and here is the recommended job which is account job and senior bank. And here is also see all options. I click on see all. So it show only 2 jobs because here are only 2 jobs available. And after that, here is the categories of jobs like accounting, banking, engineering, healthcare. I click on see all. Here are many more jobs available in a category section like accounting, banking, engineering, healthcare, management, manufacturing, marketing, medical, others, railway, teachers. We can apply from here also in any particular job. And here are the latest jobs are also available, and also available option for bookmark and apply now.
Yeah, this is the name bar that contain home, latest job, category and setting. By clicking latest job, we navigate to the latest job. Yeah, there are many jobs that we are apply for. That we are going to apply for particular job, that is electrical needed. Apply now. Not apply now. Click. Yeah, there are 3 plan, that is premium, platinum. By selecting one plan, then we can go through the method by which we want to pay this plan. Yeah, we have to select the method, then we have to proceed the pay for the particular
I
plan.
select Trezor Pay and proceed to
Paste
pay.
it and proceed to pay. Yeah, from here we can pay. Go to home screen.
Okay.
Yeah, we can pay from here for particular plan that we are buying for. Home screen. And this is the setting bar. By clicking setting, we can find variety of features and function. From
Here are the many features available in settings like enable bar. Here we can also enable and disable the notification. And after that, edit profile, which I was shown you.
and this is the save job. Like if you save any job, if you bookmark any job, then it will show here in save job. Go to setting. Yeah, he is going to bookmark this like job. Then it will save in save job. Like we can find here. Like if you're not interested to apply for particular job, we can save job for the further applied. In setting, then we find that applied job, that the job we are applied for. Then about us section will be there. Then he apply for the particular job, then it will show in applied job in setting. Applied job. Not so network is will be there. That's why back. So this is about us. What is the app is all about? Term of uses, privacy policy. If you want to delete account, we can delete from here. And more app. Go to home screen. Yeah, this is all about our app. What is the features and functionality? The main feature that we should apply for the particular job by matching your profile, by matching your skill. And
Here
this
is
a-
also change password option available. Here, when we want to change our password, first of all, I write my old password and then new password and confirmation again. And after that, update it.
Yeah, the password is changed successfully. And this is all the features and functionality it contains. And if you want to log out this app, then we go to setting, then we have to log out this app. Log out. So thank you everyone for your time and attention. Thank you so much.